Did you know? In the market, there is no prejudice, no mercy. There is only discipline or defeat. The market is blind and doesn't see race, riches, fame, or poverty. Come one, come all. But the market preys on fear. It senses hesitation, greed, and insecurity. And when it does, it devours you. So never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Rent, utilities, food. The market rewards discipline. Trade with desperation. And it will take every dime, every time. We all trade with the same chart, the same price. So why do 99% fail? Fear versus focus. Mindset is the difference. To profit in the market, know this. There is no quick fix, no silver bullet. The market demands respect. It demands discipline. Prepare now or pay later. At MMU, we believe learning to trade is simple. The challenge is developing the right mindset. In the end, it all comes down to this: discipline or defeat.